So our app is called SuperShopper. It's a real-life game by Carmania, Michael, and Kimia. So this is the logo for our app. How does it work? You can create a shopping list in the app and then enter a store and scan the barcode of your first item. The time between the first and last item scanning is your score. People with the lowest time to item ratio get placed on global leaderboard.
How is it helpful? This app will hopefully keep stores less crowded, which is especially important during a pandemic because it keeps chances of spreading low. It's also a convenient exercise for something you would spend time doing anyway, which is shopping. You can also have lots of fun competing with others. Additionally, this is potentially profitable through ad revenue and targeted towards groceries because it's an app about groceries. Our inspiration comes from a number of things, including the Supermarket Sweep TV show, which was in the 60s, uh, as well as Pokemon Go, which is like a game, a global game. Um, and mixing those two concepts kind of created our app. And then the issue is overcrowding. And you can see in this picture, and you've probably seen a lot of pictures where there are overcrowded stores or lines.
So how was this made? In the backend, we used Python with SQL Alchemy to store data of users, times, lists, and items, and we used Fast API to make the HTTP requests. And we used Fast API to serve the HTTP data. The front end was built in Flutter and Dart. It used libraries like a barcode scanning library, and it used SQLite as the database to store the data locally. The backend and the front end communicate using a RESTful API authenticated with HTTP basic auth, so the user's data can be secure. Some of the future plans for this app are using location checking, like checking whether they're actually at a grocery store, and if they're actually moving, making this a kind of a social network where you can follow people live as they shop. We could implement local leaderboards so people can compete with other people at their own store, and we can have live one-on-one matches so people can compete against one another live